So guys, in today's lesson we are going to learn a ratio with decimals. Okay, let's quickly see what type of questions we are going to do today. If you see these questions here, share each quantity in the given ratio. If you see, you can see decimals here like 1.3:5 in first question. In second question it is 11.9 and 9.7. And the second one is 6.2 and 4.8 and 1, and 4.5, 2.3 and 1.6 with D. So what new thing we can see here? We can see there is a decimal in the parts. These are the parts, 1.3:5. So let's do A part first. You need to divide 252 into two parts here. One part is 1.3 and other part is 5. Yeah. So how we can do that? How we can do that? Is there any idea what will be your approach? Yes?
So,
Yes?
can we add 1.3 with 5?
Yeah, that's fine. But before that, if we can get rid of decimals in any way, is there any way we can get rid of decimals? Yes? Is there any way we can get rid of decimal? No idea? Okay, what we can do, this is 1.3 and this is 5. So if we times by 10 here and times by 10 here, so then decimal will disappear. So 1.3 times 10 is 13.0, that is 13. And here 5 times 10 is 50. So see, we don't have decimal now, so it is 13 and 50. Now you can add 13 plus 50, so that is sum of the ratio, that is 63. Okay, now you need to divide 252 by 63. Can you divide it for me and see how much it is coming? Yes, somebody said 4. So 252 divided by 63, it is 4. That's fine. Then what will be the next step now? What will be the next step?
Sir,
Yes.
do we do 1.3 and 5 and times, with the 4 you times 1.3?
Yeah, you can do that. So 1.3 you can times by 4 and 5 you can times by 4, our original ratio. 1.3 times 4 is how much?
5.2?
5.2. Okay, and 4 times 5 is?
20?
20. Yeah, but if you see our here, if you add them 20 and 5.2, it is just coming 25.2. okay, but our whole was 252. okay, so in this ratio if you are multiplying, then you are not getting the right answer. Okay, or you can get right answer if you can again multiply by 10. So what you need to do in this case, just let me draw a line here. So because our change ratio was 13 and 50, so you need to multiply, write down here 13 and 50, then you multiply by 4 here and 4 here. So 13 times 4 is 52 and 50 times 4 is 200, and if you add them 200 plus 52, then you get 252 pound. Okay, but here it is 5.2 and 20, so you, because you have multiplied by 10 here, so you need to multiply by 10 here as well. Then it will be 52 and 200. So my suggestion is, when you change ratio from decimal to without decimal, then you must consider the new ratio and then follow this way. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now go for B, C and D part.
Yes, sir.
To solve, so first question was 600, sorry, second question, it is second question now. So B part is 648. You need to divide between two parts. First part is 11.9 second part is 9.7. So by which number we can multiply? Yes, guys, which number we can multiply both sides so that we can get rid of decimal?
Sir,
Yeah,
I think we should multiply by 100 because 11.9, if we multiply by 10, there will be still a decimal left. So best idea is to multiply by 100.
no, we can multiply by 10 as well, but there is nothing wrong if you are selecting 100. So if you times by 10 here, so it will be 1190 and decimal will be after 1 point from right hand side. And if you times by 10 here, so it will be 970 and 97. So you are getting new number 119 and 97. They are without decimal. Okay. Now, second thing is we need to find sum of the parts like 119 and plus 97. So how much it will be? 216. Yes. Is that okay? Then after that you need to divide 648 by 216. Okay, so 216 times 3, so you will get 3 here. So multiply 3 with 119 and 97. So first part was 119 and 97. You times by 3 and times by 3. Can you multiply 119 times 3? How much it will be? 357 if I'm not wrong. And 97 times 3? 291. And let's do the checking part. So if you add 357 and 291, so let's see how much you're getting. 648. Guys, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I multiplied by 100 and I got the same answer. So is this still correct?
Yeah, that's right. You can multiply by any number. I have chosen 10. You have chosen 100. It doesn't matter. Okay. Let's go for C part. So here it is 2040. It has to divide by divided between 3 parts. One is 6.2, another part is 4.8, and the next part is 1. So no need to say if you multiply by 10 here, multiply by 10 to get rid of decimal. Okay, so it will be 62, it will be 48, and it will be 10. And if you add all these numbers, sum of 62 plus 48 plus 10. So I think 8 and 2, 10, carry 1. It will be 120, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you so much. Now, next you need to divide 2040 divide by 120. So can you tell me when you divide 2040 by 120 how much it is coming?
17.
Yes, that's right. So we are getting 17. This is the way I want that my class should interact. So we got 17. What will be the next step now? Our ratios are 62, 48 and 1. What will be the next step now?
Wait, no, so it's 10.
Yeah, it is 10. That's right. It is 10. So what will be the next step now?
You times 17 by all the ratios.
Yes, good. So it is 17 times by 17 and times by 17. So can you multiply 17 times 62 is how much?
1054.
1054. And this one?
816.
And 10 times 17?
107.
170?
If you add all these numbers, see, you are getting this total 2040 or not? We got 1054, 816 and 170. If you add them, you'll get the same thing. Yeah. Now let's go for the last part. So last part, it is same thing. What we need to do? So it is 588 divided by, so it is 4.5, it is 2.3, and it is 1.6. Okay, so by which number will multiply now?
10.
10.
10. So if you multiply by 10 here, multiply by 10 here, and multiply by 10 here, so this will be 45, 23, and it is 2.3, 23, and it is 16. If you add them, how much it is coming?
84.
84. So yes, if you add 45, thank you class, this is the way I want class should interact. 84. Now if you divide 588 by 84, how much it is? 588 divided by 84 is how much? Take your time.
7.
7. Okay, now 7, so 45 times 7. Okay,
Sir,
yes,
300.
the question's wrong. It's supposed to be 588.
588.
508.
Okay,
Yeah.
588, here it is that okay, Sahib? 588. Now so
Okay.
rest is right, it is 7, so question is okay. Now what you can do, 45 times 7, then 23 times 7, and 16 times 7. What is 45 times 7?
315.
315.
315. Okay, and 23 times 7?
161.
161.
Okay, and 16 times 7 is?
112.
12.
Okay, if you add them, see 588 is coming.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So this is the way we do it. Now next set of questions. So here's a question for you, and just try this. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay guys, welcome back. If you have tried this sum, so first question is here, paint is made by mixing blue, yellow and green. So let's write down here, it is blue, yellow and green, and their ratio is 2.5, 1.4 and 0.1. So if you times by 10, so it will be 25 times by 10. I have written here times by 10, whole this times by 10, this 25, 1.4 multiplied by 10. So it will be 25, it will be 14 and it will be 1. Okay, is that fine? So what here, you know 1 liter is how many ml? 1 liter is 1000 ml. If you don't know, please make a note of this. Okay, yeah, so 1 liter is 1000 ml. Now if it is 1 liter, how much blue, if you add them 25, 14 and 1, so it's better we can convert into a milliliter. Now you add 25 plus 14 plus 1, how much it is coming?
40.
It is coming 50? 50? No. 40. So it is 40. So let me rub it. It is 40. Okay guys, please interact. Now 40. Now what you need to do, you need to divide 1000 by 40. If you divide 1000 by 40, how much it is coming? So it is 25. Now, so 25 times 25. So first thing, 25 times 25, you multiply by 25 here. So 25 times 25 is 625. What is 25 times 14?
106. 350.
Sorry, how much?
350.
Okay, that's good. 350. And now the hardest one, 25 times 1 is how much?
25.
25. Okay, so this is all these measurements are for 1 liter. Okay, so 625 will take blue, 340 will take green, and 25 will take yellow, and this is exclusively for 1000 ml or 1 liter. Is that okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, so now from here we can develop all our answer, because 1 liter. So if it is 500 ml, if we want for 500 ml, then what we need to do it here? If we want same thing for 500 ml, so see, this is divided by 2, so this will be divided by 2, this will be divided by 2, and this will be divided by 2. Is that okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So for 500 ml, you need to divide by 2. So if you divide 625 divide by 2, how much it is coming?
312.5.
Okay, 340 divide by 2.
170.
Okay, so first for 1 liter, see here guys, for 1 liter we will get here blue 625 and green is 340 and yellow is 25 for 1.5 liter. So 1.5 liter means what? You are adding 1000 ml and 500 ml. You can add 625 plus 312.5. Okay, so just add 625 plus 312.5, how much it is? 937.5. Now 340 plus 170, how much it is?
510.
10, and 25 plus 12.5 is how much?
37.5.
5. Okay, that's fine. So now 2.5 liter left. So this is 1000 ml. Yeah. Now for 1000 ml or 1 liter. So to make here for 2 liter, we'll multiply by 2. Yes. If you multiply by 2 here, so it will be 2 liter or 2000 ml. Right. So let's multiply by 2. So 625 multiplied by 2. How much it is? 1250. Okay. 340 times 2. 680.
680.
And it is times 2. That is 50. Yeah. So for 2 liter it is this much. But here they are asking 2.5 liter. So just you add extra 500 ml. So 1250, and for 2500 ml. So this is 500 ml. You can add this. So it is plus 312.5.
Yes, sir.
And here plus 170 and plus here 12.5. Is that okay? So
Yes.
Yes, sir.
62.5, and this will be, if you add it, 850, and here it is 0.5, it is 2, and it is 1562.5. So it will be 1562.5, and then this is 850, and this is 62.5. Is that okay? Yeah. So how
Yes, sir.
we have used ratio in problem solving, this is what you are learning here. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
yes.
for the 851, I got 875.
875. This one.
That's yeah, for that
Okay.
one. 'Cause
Okay, 1 minute. Let me check. So 1 liter was 1000 ml. So if you multiply by 25, 25 times 14 is how much? 25 times 14. See how much it is? Let's cross check. 350. It has to be 350, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, so I've written here 340, so let's change it. It is 350. 350 divided by 2, 175, so it will be 175. Okay, so it should be 350. Let me rub this. This is just a mistake here in calculation. So it should be 350 here, and this will change, this will change. So let's write down here. So it should be, first one is 350. Now 350 and plus 175, if you add 350 plus 175, so it should be 525.
Yeah.
And for 2 liter, if you multiply 350 times 2, so it will be 700, right? So it is 700. Let me erase it. Okay, so let's use it here. So 350 divided by 2, 175, and 350 plus 175 is, if you add it, 525. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's right. That's fine. Now for 2 liter it is this one, and 520 and plus 175, so it will be 525. And so let's do it, 1 minute. So it was 350 and divide by 2, 175 here, and then if you multiply by 2 by 350, you'll get 700 here. 700, and extra 500 ml if you add it, so it will be 175. So 700 plus 175 is 875. So how beautifully we have used ratio in problem solving. Is that okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that's it. Now